question, I invite. Somebody was saying that some persons were interested in questions. So you are welcome.
Kim kada?
Kim kada? Yes. Just any question? So I shall try to. Yes. Hare Krishna. Welcome.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Thank you very
Yes,
much.
yes.
So how do you said that as manjaris, we have to get in the position to be part of that group of Lalita or Vishaka or Tungavidya or
Yes, yes.
but I consider them like being part of the same group of Radharani.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I would like to understand how do we
Actually-
choose and how can we be part of one or the other?
Actually, it is decided by the intention of Sri Radharani, to whom group she will place me in which group. So actually, where Sri Radharani is deciding, wanting, he will make me associated with the same guru. There are so many gurus, but Sri Radharani make me associated and joint with that group. And where I will be joint, accordingly I will get the sadhan paddhati. And whatever sadhan I will get the siddhi. And whatever siddhi I will get that group, the entrance in that group. So actually it depends on Sri Radharani, though Sri Radharani always sees the intention of a jeev. So jeev is given a little freedom. Kinchit swatantrata. Krit prayatnapeksha vidhi pratishedayo avayartha dibhyasya. This is a Brahma Sutra. And Shri in Brahma Sutra it is that Shri Krishna made us Krit prayatnapeksha, that we should perform some actions. And seeing our actions, seeing our attitude, Shri Krishna will create this position, this facility, that we will get the association with a person, with Shri Gurudev, of that bhav. And by that bhav, our sadhan will be performed, and as we have done the sadhan, so we will get the perfection. This time.
Very much.
Говорится, что оскорбление – это измерять дхамму.
It is said that this is an offense to try to measure the dam.
But
It is an offense to try our endeavors to measure the dam.
no.
More пишу. И говорится, что антармандала, она занимает 5 йоджан.
And also it is said that Antarmandal is of 5 yojanas.
Yes, very fine. So
Это говорится о Галоке в духовном мире или о Гакула Вриндаване?
yes. It is said that Panchiyojan mevaste banam me dehrupakam. The Vrindavan is having its surrounding of Panchiyojan. Panchiyojan means 1 yojan have 4 course. Panchiyojan means 20 course. And 1 course has 3 kilometers. That means 60 kilometers. And physically, we can see that from Vrindavan to Govardhan is approximately 60 or 62 kilometers. So, this is Panchiyojan Mevaste Banam Me Dehrupakam. Shri Vrindavan has 3 surroundings. One surrounding is of Panchakrosh. That is the main Vrindavan. And that is considered to be the Kunj. Vrindavan Kunj. And the Rasik Jan, in their meditation, they saw the limitation of Shri Vrindavan of Panchakrosh, though Shri Vrindavan Parikrama. When we were in Vrindavan, we do the Vrindavan Parikrama, that is of half and three courses. But it is considered to be Panchakrosh. And that is the Nukunj Vrindavan. And where Shri Radharani is having his pastimes. The other Vrindavan is, that is Panchakrosh Vrindavan. Panchakrosh means 60 kilometers. And this is the daily routine place of Yugal Sanchar. Shri Yugal come to Vrindavan for Ras. He resides in Nandgam and Barsana. He goes to 10 counts on the bank of Shri Yamuna. And as I have already described that Shri Vrindavan is just like a kamal, and it is blooming and it is closing. So, the Yugal does not take any trouble in going there, and it is very much easier, and Leela Shakti manages all the things. The third Vrindavan is 84 kilometer, and that is somewhere some opulences are also there. There Dirghavan, Dig is also there. Nandgam, Barsana, Shri Gokul, Mahavan, those are also there. That means the Kaman, yes. Kaman is in Panchakoshi Vrindavan. Panchayojan Vrindavan. So, Mahavan and Gokul and Dauji, these are also in there, and joining those opulences and Balya Leela Sthal. The parikrama of Shri Brichaurasi Kos is being done. So this is Vrindavan and the mandal of Shri Vrindavan. But the main mandal of Madhur Ras, and while Shri Krishna is in his Kaishor Leela, adultness, at that Leela, Shri Krishna is performing, and this kshetra from Vrindavan to Kamban, it is Gopi, Gop, Gavam Sevam. Some Vrindavan is Gopi Sebhya. Some Vrindavan is, one Vrindavan is Gopi and Gop Sebhya. The other Vrindavan is Gopi, Gop, Gavam Sebhya. That means in the Gosht, Nandgam, Barsana, Raval, they are Gopi, Gop and Gai, cows. All are. That means Das, Saksha, Basal and Madhur, 4 ras are there. Some Vrindavan is, that means Shri Govardhan as well as Kamban. That is Gopi and Gop, both Sebh. That means Pri Narm Sakha can also enter here, and the erotic Antaras, that is also here. So Gopi and Gop, both Sebh. Some Vrindavan is only Gopi Sebh. That is Nukunj Vrindavan, Shri Vrindavan, where Shri Krishna is playing Ras with Gopis, and Sakha are not allowed. Sakhas are all not allowed. And some Vrindavan is, that is only Gop and cows, Gop and Gav, Sebh. That means the far place where cows goes to eat grass, and she Gop sometimes goes to that place, that is Bhandir Bhat, or the place of the bank of Sri Yamuna, where only Sakhagan goes, not gopis. Very rarely they enters there, otherwise not. So this is the place of Sri Vrindavan, Panchayojan Mevaste, and the answer is this, that Sri Vrindavan has its quality to be expanded, and sometimes it is consolidated. So sometimes it's become very much consolidated, sometimes it becomes very expanded. Am I clear? This was the question? Or other question? I understood the question or not?
Yes.
Yes, that's right.
Sorry, one more thing. Right now we spoke about Gokul Vrindavan or Vrindavan in spiritual world.
I see. So, very fine. Very fine. There is two type of Leela. One Leela is Prakat Leela and other is Aprakat Leela. Prakat Leela can be seen by everyone. Either he is devotee or not. Even the person is not lover of Shri Krishna, or he is not devotee of Shri Krishna. Even then, in Prakat Leela, he can speculate Shri Krishna, Krishna Leela. He can witness Shri Krishna Leela. And that Leela remained for 125 years only at the Avatar Kal. Am I clear? Then the other Leela is, that is Aprakat Leela. Aprakat Leela is also of two types. One Aprakat Leela is Golok Leela, and other Leela is Bhauma Vrindavan Leela. But it can be speculate, it can be witnessed only by Nitya Parkar, the eternal Antaras of Shri Krishna, not by everyone. Because as at this time, we are also in Vrindavan, but some persons may see the Krishna Leela. A person like me is not seeing that. So that is Aprakat Leela. But Aprakat Leela is continuously going on still now. But that is not seen by a general person. Any special Siddha person, they are seeing that special Leela. So both are Golok. Actually saying, the Aprakat Leela is Golok Leela, and both are Golok. But to make difference between the upper and on the earth, they have given, the Acharya has given two names, Golok and Gokul. And in Laghu Bhagavatamrita, Sri Rupa Goswami says, I am giving the reference, Laghu Bhagavatamrita. Sri Rupa Goswami says, that yattu golok namasti tattu gokul vaibhavam. That upper golok, that is on the top of Shri Vaikuntha Dham, Saket Dham, Mathura Dwarka, Mathura Bridge, and even the top most portion of bridge, that is Shri Vrindavan. That Vrindavan, upper Vrindavan, that is called Golok. And to differentiate with that Golok, a incarnation of that Golok, this Bhauma Vrindavan is also there. But in Bhauma Vrindavan, the Leela is not being seen by a person, general person. Only by great persons it is being seen. So, actually saying, this Bhauma Vrindavan is the main, and that upper Golok is incarnation of this Bhauma Vrindavan. This Bhauma Vrindavan is not incarnation of that Golok. But this Golok is Golok, that means Gokul, is the main, and its expansion is that Vrindavan. So, we should be very much clear that we are not going anywhere else. We are living in Vrindavan. But a curtain is on our eyes. We cannot see the Vrindavan. If the curtain is unveiled, then we can see that Leela. And this Leela, this Gokul Vrindavan, I am saying Gokul. So this Gokul Vrindavan is full of sweetness. In that Vrindavan, that Golok, upper Golok, the opulences becomes much more activated. And sometimes the intimacy with Sri Shyamsundar, with Sri Radharani, becomes a little dull due to that opulences. But here, there is no opulences. So, the sweetness is most experienced in this place, while we are in this Vrindavan and in this this Raj. This Raj creates much more experience of sweetness rather than that Golok. So, being there, when Brijvasi went to that Golok, they was not very much happy. And they want that let us go, let us reach to Bhauma Vrindavan, where we will feel the experience of sweetness much more than that opulence place. Yes.
But the question arises now.
Yes.
If this pastime here in Gokul, Vrindavana, in this earth right now
Yes.
is happening, so we should aspire to remain here
Yes.
again and again and again and
Again,
again,
yes.
entangled in the samsara, or what?
No. That is, yes. This portion was not so far described. So let me describe this point also. Shri Vrindavan is just like a transcendental lotus. And when creation appears, and Brahma ji do this creation, this whole world, and with so many continental drip theory and so all the theories we are getting, and how this world was one and there was a break in it, and Ankara and Gondwana, the earth turned into two parts, and there became so many breaks in Ankara or Gondwana, and dripping those continents went to where, and the Asia dish was there, and the Gondwana dish just joined to it, and where the shrink became, then the Himalaya took place, and Himalaya is a live mountain, though Govardhan is considered that it is not now in the increasing position, but Himalaya is continuously getting higher and higher, and every year at least 3 or 4 centimeters Himalaya gets much more higher. It is a living, so that is, so the creation was done. in conclusion, the creation was done. And when the creation was done, then that transcendental Vrindavan appeared and rested on this earth. And when demolition or pralay, destruction will take place, when the whole world will finish and Mahapralay, Prakritik Pralay will commence, then this Vrindavan will not finish. Vrindavan will remain. As there is a pond, and in a pond there is no water, even then the transcendental lotus is there. And the pond is created, and in pond the water comes, and water is overwhelming, and it is getting up and up, and one position comes, then that the transcendental Kamal rests on the water. And if the water is removed, even then, if it is a material Kamal, material lotus, then it will destroy. But if it is a transcendental Kamal, that will remain. In the same way, the transcendental Shri Vrindavan will remain ever. It will not destroy even at the time of destruction. So, we will live in Shri Vrindavan. And one thing is this, that if we have not got salvation, perfection, we are a sadhak and we are doing Harinam, Jap, we are listening Shri Krishna Katha, Sant Seva, Shri Govind Darshan, Shri Govardhan Parikrama, we are doing it. But if we will get the perfection, then we will be a part of that transcendental world. Then we will not return. So your question was not very much correct. That we will live here, we will die and again take birth, and we will again and again we have to take birth, and we will be in this sansar. That is not. It depends on our sadhana. If our sadhana is perfect, then we will go to the Aprakat Vrindavan. And Aprakat Vrindavan is transcendental Vrindavan. And transcendental Vrindavan never demolishes. It will remain ever. So we will also be a part and particle of our youth. Our youth is of Shri Vishakhaji or Shri Laltaji. In that youth, this little Sakhi will be always there. And she will experience the sweetness of Shri Yugal Sarkar. So, it should not be considered in this way that we have to live here and here, and in this way, this circle of life and death, we will be always roaming, should not be considered in this way. If we will get that perfection, then we will live here, and we do not require to go to that abode, to Golok. Our main game, main swarup is this Vrindavan. Ataha, Shri Rasikjan says that Bharam tajo haripriya bhajo sajo nem vrt ek yahi nischay kahi. Just touching this earth. Yes, we are saying that the veil is on our eyes. The main thing is how to unveil that curtain only. The Leela is going on there, and we will be a part of that Leela.
Jai Ho. Hari Bo.